Hey guys, this is Chanwon and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a on-trend makeup look. It's the Hangover trend in Japan, and they believe like young girls, which is really kawaii, which is so young, they really like this kind of look because it look more innocent and it look more kawaii, just like you're going to sayang this little girl. So for this makeup look, I try my best to do a very simple eye makeup, and for the lips, I will choose the lightest color so there's more focus on the brusher. So first step, of course, a natural and glowy skin look. Start with a juicy glow skin base. This is actually a primer and I'm using the color 02. Usually, I love to apply in a dot method, and I love to apply with my fingertips because I believe the temperature of our body helps the product blend really well into our skin. Blend evenly and you can see your skin start glowing. Look really natural. I'm now using the Canmake Perfect Multi-Eye Palette in color number 3, and this is a very compact eyeshadow palette. You can also use this your eyebrow, and then this comes with a mirror on the top, and also there's this little applicator. This one is for you to draw your eyebrow, and this is for you to draw your eyeshadow or eyeshadow liner. So now I'm going to use a base color. It's the lightest. So I'm using the lightest to all over on my eyelid, and then because our blusher is nearby this area, so my eye makeup is more on the earth tone, like brown, not too attractive like red or maroon this time. So I picked this color 03 to create this lovely look. So first, use the base color, apply it all over your eyelid. Secondly, use the light brown color, apply it all over your double eyelid area. Third, use the reddish brown colors to add a little dimensions on your eyelid. You can also use your fingertip to blend it. Last but not least, use the darkest color to apply it on the area that close to your eyelashes and the outer corner of your bottom lashes. Eye makeup done, and remember that I mentioned that this palette can use on your eyebrows. So now use the color to fill in your eyebrows. So next, actually I'm going to use this curl mascara from Canmake. This is the same mascara that I used on my previous flower inspired makeup, and this time I used it without curling my eyelashes because I want it to look more natural curl than like having those straight and really curled eyelashes. So for this, I choose a black color mascara and just curl in a way that you like, and you are done with your mascara. So for the eyeliner, I will only draw at the outer corner of my eyelid. Just a little eyeliner will do because, as usual, as I mentioned earlier, we focus on the blush. So for the cheek area, we are doing this hangover makeup trend in Japan. So this time I'm going to use the cream cheek. It's my favorite, as you can see, and also this powder cheek. The reason why I like to use double the cream versions and also the powder version is because this can make your blusher last longer, and also in order to make the look more obvious, like more hangover look, cream cheeks is one of the nicest and the best choice because the color is so pigmented, and when you apply you can straight away see. Use this, apply on this area, blend it evenly. And now I'm going to add a little dimensions on my cheek. I'm using this powder cheek color PW39. So I'm just add on here. So there's actually now two colors. This is the powder and this is the cream cheek. So now I'm going to use the Stay On Balm. This is color 13. Just apply at the inner corner of my upper lip and slowly blend up. This is very suitable for those who have dry lips or cracked looking lips, and after you apply you can straight away see the colors. It's so pretty. So the last step is to slim down my face. I'm going to do contouring and this matte shading palette from Canmake, and there's this 5 lovely shades, and I normally use the middle or the bottom one, and do a little shading, just a little bit. For this look, I decided to add a little contour beside my nose. And now you are done with the full makeup. It's pretty simple, right? Just focus on your cheek area and now you are done. And here's the good news for all Canmake lovers, because Canmake is finally launching in Asia shopping. And yep, selected item will be available, start selling at AirAsia duty-free, where you can shop when you are on board, or you can shop through online and they will pre-deliver it to your seat when you are on board. And I'm so happy for those who want to get duty-free product, duty-free Canmake product. You can shop at www.rokkshop.com, and once you check out, pay during your checkout time, you can receive the product when you are on flight or you are on board. I'm so happy for this because now everyone can get Canmake product, whether it's offline, whether it's online, or if you are on board. It's quite a happy thing to announce, right? And here's the product that we'll be selling on board with AirAsia. The first thing will be the cream cheek, and it will be selling in 2 colors, which is the C05 and C07. Here's the photo. And then another one is the marshmallow finish powder, which is this, in 2 different shades. Third product will be the Perfect Multi-Eye Palette, which is the one I'm using on this tutorial. And then after that is this Wink Glow eyeshadow that I mentioned on my previous video. Is the color 01 and also the color 05. So it's a brown and a pink. So that's all, and when you purchase within 80 ringgit to 120, you can get a Canmake free mirror like this one. Or if you shop more than 120 ringgit Malaysia, you can get this pink mini travel luggage with a Canmake. Yeah, that's all for now. So remember to check that out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this hangover makeup tutorials, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!